Dear students, welcome back to our online class. Hope you all are doing really great. So we are going through our active English workbook and the response that I'm getting from your uh, presence, that is really very praiseworthy. So I hope you will keep it up, babies. So as we are done with our syllabus, so now it's time to go through some of the old topics, and so that we can, our learning will be much more grounded. Okay. So on the sequence of this classes, I would like to go through once again with item number 19. As item, we were actually going through item number 19, but the page number, it was page number 27, but today we will go through page number 27. That was 26, and today's page is 27. As you know, some of the items are actually divided into different pages, and it is not possible for us to touch the every pages of including the same item in a day. So I thought it would be wise to divide them into different pages, and we will go through one by one. Okay, we will go slowly but correctly. Okay, babies. So here this is nothing different from the previous class. Here some of the boxes will be given for you, and in every box you will have what? You will have some of the pictures. Okay, so from the pictures you need to indicate the name of the objects, and along with the objects you need to count the pictures. Okay, after counting the pictures, what should you do? You need to write the number in word. Okay, so after writing the number in word, you need to put the name of this objects like matches, spoons, whatever given here. Okay, so I would like to ask you to have your own book so that you can match this clearly. Okay, now let us go through the boxes here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so in total there are 11 what? It is about matches. Okay, so there are 11, so I need to write 11, ELEVEN. Okay, in word. Okay, now 11, I would like to ask you to note the answers down. Please note the answers down. Okay, so that you don't need to invest much time in doing the homework. Okay, baby. So 11 what? 11 matches. MATCHES. 11 matches. Okay, now it is spoons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So how many spoons are there? Basically there are 12 spoons. So should I write 12 in number like this? No, we can't write this. Okay, what should we write? We better write the number in word. Okay, so in total there are how many spoons? Please count the spoons. How many spoons do you find? 12 spoons. Okay, so for 12 we need to write TWELVE 12. What? Spoons. SPOONS. So 12 spoons. Okay, now see, here it is mentioned that what? BELLS. That means it's bills. Okay, does do the things look like bills? Do you think this look like bills? Okay, yeah, I think it bills. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So please count in your book that how many things are you getting, and after counting, and you need to mention the number. Okay, it's nothing difficult or tough. So in total there are basically 13. So THIR 13, GEE 13. 13 what? 13 bells. BELLS. Okay, why it is bells, matches, spoons, cause all these things are basically what? All these things are basically in plural number. Okay, so that's why we need to put s. But if it is about only one thing, should we put s just beside the noun or the name? No, we can't put any s just beside the noun. Okay, but if it is more than one thing, that means if it is indicating so many things at a time, or if it is indicating something that is much in number, or if it is about plural number and more than one, of course, then of course we need to understand that it is plural. It indicates plural number. So for plural, one thing that seeing the thing that we can understand, yeah, it is about plural number. What is it? It is s. Okay, just a simple s right beside the name or the noun indicates that, yeah, it is plural. So coming to the next one, see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So how many things are there? 14. 14 what? What's the name given here? It is buttons. Okay, so in total there are 14 buttons. So for 14 buttons, what should I write? FOR, for TEEN. Okay, 14. So 14 what? Buttons. BUTTONS. So how many buttons are there? 14 buttons. Okay, so you can check and recheck, okay, that whether you are missing any numbers. Okay, so the most important thing is here to do for you is to count or to sum up the numbers and then put the numbers in word. Okay, so you need to spell every number. So without spelling or writing in number, it would not be actually efficient. Okay, as you are instructed to do so. Okay, babies. So now coming to the next box here, see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So here in total 15. Okay, how many balls? It is about balls. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So 15 what? 15 balls. So I need to write FIF, 15, TEEN. Okay, 15. So I hope you are noting down. You are following Mrs. Instruction, and you are also filling it up. Okay, 15 what? 15 balls. Okay, 15 balls. Now coming to the next one, it is, see how many things are there. These are actually apples. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So how many apples are there? How many apples? There are 15. 15 or 16? After 15 what comes? After 15 what comes? 8, 16. It is what? It is basically 16. Okay, so after 15 we need to write what? We need to write 16 apples. So after 15, here see how many total there are 16 apples. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So basically, after 15 it comes 16. I think nothing is too much tough for you to understand that, yeah, of course, after 15 what would come? 16. So you need to put it here in word. Okay, not in number. If you are giving it in number, that means you are missing something. So 16, then you need to indicate the name of the object. Okay, the objects are given here. Basically what? Basically it is apples. So after, see, now we are done with 3 of the boxes in total. Like see, from from the top of these boxes, matches. Here how many matches? 11 matches. See, we need to put the number here first, of course in word, then we need to indicate the name. Okay, then it is spoons. In total there are 12 what? 12 spoons. Then 13 bells. Then it comes 14 buttons. Then what comes? It comes 15 balls. See, after every name we need to put a s here, an additional s. Why? Because it is about actually plural number. Okay, it is not just a thing that we can't put any s here. We must put a s to make it understand that it is about more than one thing. Okay, now coming to the next one. Here see, in total there are 17 what? 17 oranges. So please please note it down into your book, as you know that your active English workbook is all about your book and doing the exercises. Okay, so without doing or solving the exercises, actually we can't have any other option. We must do it. Okay, so now next one is 1 2 3 4. So basically after 17, logically, undoubtedly, what comes? It comes 18. Okay, so you need to put 18 here, but what in which thing you need to put 18 in numbers or in word? Of course in words. Okay, and then you need to put the name of the things like sweets. Okay, and one thing you should remember, that please don't mistake in writing the numbers. Don't mistake in writing the spelling. Okay, so I know in your maths you are quite familiar with such items, but still once again, as it is given in your exercise book, so I think we need to go through it once again. So see, at the last box we can see here what in total there are basically 19. Okay, 19 what? So after see, it's about sense of humor, that after 18 what comes? It's 19 undoubtedly. So without counting we can put it here 19 what? The thing is basically the picture is about x. Okay, so it is x. Are you done with it? Yeah, I know you are quite done with it. Now it is what? See, here is it is sign of ticks. Okay, so ticks, can you count in your book how many ticks are given here? Can you count it out? Please sum up the ticks here. In total there are basically 20 ticks. Okay, so for 20 you need to put 20 in word. Okay, not in number. I repeat, you need to put it in your word. Okay, then 20 what? What does it indicate? It indicates basically tick marks. Okay, that means in total it is called ticks. So now coming from the top, it's 11 matches, then 12 spoons, then 13 bills, then 14 buttons, 15 balls, 16 apples, 17 oranges, 18 sweets, 19 eggs, and 20 ticks. Okay, so I hope you got the idea clearly, and it's actually very much easier for you, as you are quite familiar and you are quite used to doing such question patterns. Okay, so we will meet very soon on the next class. Till then, stay well and take care.